and especially to you for watching this video. Okay, I'm just going to make a quick and easy teddy bear out of pom-poms, little pom-poms by small board. Well, I had it, so that's why teddy bear is red and not brown, but it's actually a present for someone. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to make that, see if it works out. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I think this little teddy bear came out quite cute with the pom-poms, but I've got a problem, she's actually too big. So I'm going to make a smaller teddy bear with a pipe cleaner. I will show you step by step. So first, take your pipe cleaner, fold it in half. Okay, then you bend this one to the front because that's the little nose, like this, and then you bend this one sides on the side up because that's the little ears, and the other side try to measure it so it can be the same. So on the back it's now like across, and in front you can see these little ears and the nose. Okay, so then you twist it once. So then you bend it back over over the ear and the back, not too tight because you want to make a little head at the back of the nose. Just push it down, and the other side the same, the back of the ear over the ear, just with a little bit of loop to make the head. You come to the eyes on the nose, and you twist it again. So it should look like this. Should bring those closer. So there's your little face, the head of the nose, the two ears, and then the head. So then you just bend it again for the arms, one side and on the other side. Make sure your arms is, this one's too long, and you twist it twice, and you bend this up for the legs and bring it at the back over the shoulder to where it can go. Over there, and this one also you make leg and put it back, also crisscross on the other side over the soldier, down in the front, and then there you got your little teddy bear with a pipe cleaner. And then I'm just gonna put some eyes on this little guy. And then I just want to put a little, I put some ribbons, but this is too big and this one is too big, so I'm going to use this little red one. I think that will be fit. Like that. Okay. And there you go, little teddy bear with pipe cleaners. How cute is that? I think it's cute. So I think both of them came out very cute. So you can see this one's much smaller, so that will work better for my present. And yeah, I think they both look cute, pom-pom and pipe cleaner. So I hope you enjoy this video and make some teddy bears. So until next time, bye.